Meaning of leveler.
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 Leveler. The term leveler has several meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to something or someone that makes things level or equal. For example, a leveler can refer to a tool that is used to make sure a surface is flat or even. In political contexts, leveler can refer to a person or group that advocates for social equality and the leveling of class distinctions. In historical contexts, leveler can refer to a member of a 17th-century English political movement that sought to level social and economic inequalities during the English Civil Wars. So, the meaning of leveler depends on the particular context in which it is used.